The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration and the United States government. The United States government has issued a nationwide civil emergency message. At approximately 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, NASA has discovered an asteroid, named 2014 QX514, which is on a direct collision course with Earth and will impact the planet within the next 4 hours. NASA is attempting to build a rocket or a nuclear missile to try to destroy this asteroid from hitting Earth and causing the extinction of all species on Earth. Since this asteroid is discovered in such an early time, all residents of the United States are advised to remain vigilant at this time. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. I repeat, an asteroid is expected to impact the Earth within 4 hours. The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration and the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Please pay attention to this alert, as this pertains to an ongoing global crisis. The asteroid, 2014 QX514, is expected to impact the planet within the next hour. NASA has made a dark and unfortunate discovery about this asteroid. This asteroid is destructive as it is 4 miles wide. There is nothing we can do to stop this event. Once this asteroid collides, several mega tsunamis will develop, mass earthquakes will occur, and the sun will be blocked for the next 10 to 20 years. This will cause the extinction of all species on Earth. Since humanity cannot survive, and there is no safe place to evacuate to, do not stay calm. Go into panic mode. Gather all your family, friends, pets, and things that make you comfortable, and brace for the end. If you are part of a religion, pray to your higher being or beings and repent. Here is a verse from the Holy Quran that I selected. To God we belong and to Him we shall return. This concludes the final activation of the emergency alert system, after you listen to the national anthem that will play for the last time. Goodbye, and we will see each other in heaven, and I'm going to pray to God. This message will cease transmission.